Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And this playlist or series of videos is on solid principles, right? So this is an overview video of solid principles. What are we going to cover in the upcoming videos? And there are and we will be covering each solid principles in a separate video, and we'll be giving you an proper example and proper explanation for all of these, right? So coming to solid principles, right? So um, this video will give you an overview of what we are trying to achieve here, how we are going to, what does each solid principle means, right? What does S means, O means, and so on, right? So the things that you will learn from this is these are mostly used in low-level designs and real-world projects that we build on day-to-day basis, right? Uh, so before diving into each of these principles, let's cover what are the benefits or advantage of these solid principles. What will be the benefits if we learn all these things, right? So the most important benefits are easy. The codes are maintainable and extensible code, right? You can write maintainable code, which is easy to maintain, and you can extend those code base easily, right? If a new requirement comes in future, right? And it's easy to understand, and you can collaborate in large projects, right? So multiple collaboration can also happens in large projects and without facing any issues and all, right? And the other thing is you can avoid duplicates, which is the most important thing, is the to avoid duplicate codes and reduce the number of bugs, right? So let's say you have written same block of code or duplicate code in multiple places, right? And there is a requirement or a bug which has been reported that you have to fix, right? And that is in that particular block of code. Now you have changed in one place. Now it is written in four more other places, and you have to go there and change all those places also, right? So instead of writing all these duplicate codes, we can write it in one place and make the changes in that place, and it will be affected in rest all the places where it has been used, right? So to avoid duplicates code and reduce the number of bugs, right? And also the reduce the complexity through the modular designs, right? So if our designs are modular, the complexity also gets reduced of writing these codes, right? Okay, coming back to what we are going to cover, right? So we are going to cover all the solid principles, all the five principles that are there. S stands for single responsibility principle, which is SRP. O stands for open close principle, OCP. L stands for risk of substitution principle, LSP. And I stands for interface segregation principle, ISP. And the last one, dependency inversion principle, D, which is DIP, right? So we'll be covering each of these one by one, and mostly you can read all these things, and obviously we'll be diving deep into each one of these principles one by one, right? uh who is this video for, right? So these videos are for the HD engineers and the seniors engineers who are preparing for LLD and system design interviews, right? Even the backend and full stack developers who want to improve their code quality and maintainability, these are they can use these principles. Even I think you can apply in front-end engineering, developers also can use this, right? um and also obviously like it's the most important thing for a developer to write a cleaner, extensible and modular and testable code. So these are for those engineers, right? uh, uh Hope I see you in next videos soon, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.